Hello, welcome to question number 14, BECE 2025. We have to factorize the expression 5ay minus by plus 15a minus 3b. These are four terms, so we can factorize this by grouping method. So we group the first two the way they are, or you can rearrange, but I think the way they are will be okay. Minus by, you group this, then plus 15a minus 3b. If after grouping the way they are and you cannot find a common factor, then we can rearrange it further. So we are looking for common factor between the first two terms. If I look at 5, there's 1 here, so 1 is a common factor. Then I have ay and by. Y seems to be common to the two, so I take that common factor out. Now divide the first term by a common factor. If you divide, it will cancel, remaining 5a minus, if you divide here by y, you'll be left with b. Then plus will come. Common factor for 15 and 3, that will be 3. Common factor for a and b, we don't have, so we maintain 3 outside. Dividing this by 3, it will give you 5. You add the a minus, if you divide by 3, it will leave with only what? B. Now, this is one term, since they are multiplying. This is also multiplying. So we are looking out for common factor between the two terms. There are two terms here. You can see the bracket is the same as this. So that means that the common factor for the two terms as the multiply on their own is going to be 5a minus b as a common factor. You remember, as we pick the common factor, we divide the term by the common factor. So if you divide all of these by the common factor, you should be left with only y. Then plus divide all of these, it will cancel, remaining what? 3. So what we are seeing here is the factorized version of the expression given to us. But remember that if I have 4 times 3, the answer is the same as 3 times what? 4. So even though I'm having 5a minus b first before y plus 3, I am looking at the answers. The y column is given first before the a column. So let's check. So I'm going to hold on to this, y plus 3. Y plus 3. Then I'm holding on to this, 5a minus b. So right away, the option A become the right word option, or the right answer for this question. All right, I get concept is clear. You can visit the playlist and the algebraic expression. We talk about factorization, the different aspect of it. Okay, bye.